welcome again, and welcome to another VFX project. In this video, I want to show you how to create cracks VFX on this landscape. So let's start. First, you must track your video. Select your video and go to motion tracking. Select motion tracking and track camera. Wait. So after camera 3D tracking, play your video and find the point which is showing from start to end of video. Select this point and right click, create a null and camera. There we have null and 3D camera. So after this, go to project, double click, select one of these trackings. Not bad. Double click and put to composition. And then press S for the scale down the size and move here. Then parent link, press F4 to show the parent link to the null object. And select again, hold shift, press plus on keyboard, change mode. So I think overlay is better. Let's play now. Press space. Okay. Because our video is tracked by camera, we can't parent link. We must active what? We must active 3D switch. Press F4. Turn on the 3D switch. Don't parent link because our tracking is 3D, not a 2D. And then move. Press W for the rotation. Rotate and move it up there. So let's play again. So press T for the opacity and stopwatch. Take a look. When the cracks is coming, I think this is not good. Select again. Select your video, cracks video, and go to effects. Click on effects and presets, right linear wipe, select and apply on the crack video. Okay, and now make fader, stopwatch, go to few seconds, play now. Good. Make more fader. Play now. So if you need to create this crack ground into more seconds, 8, 9, 10 seconds, select again. Select. So press Ctrl D. Ctrl plus D, right click, time freeze frame. So cut up to there and create more layers. Press plus on keyboard to sit here. Good. Let's play again. So I need to start from here and up there. Make trim count from the 4 seconds to 11 seconds. Play again. See the result. There's the final result. So don't forget, you can apply another one. Double click. This is another sample. So let me see. Crack 2 and press Alt to replace directly. Press Alt, apply there, and play again. This is another sample of the cracks. Play. Fit. Play now. So press Ctrl Z. Play this through. Just turn on the video, playing. Everything is looking good. So let's turn off the solo and play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about the ground cracks in After Effects. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck.